everyone, and happy holidays. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline, and I'm back again with another wig install. Today's install, I really wanted to try out this TikTok style I've been seeing all over my For You page. I swear everyone and their mom has been doing it, so me and my mom will also be doing this hairstyle. But for today's video, I'm going to take you guys start to finish throughout the whole process, as well as give you some tips and tricks on just, how to improve your wig installation game. But with that said, let's get right into today's video. Okay, so the wig I'm going to be installing, this is her. It is very, very long. Let me back up. Oh my God, girl. Okay, this is the wig. It is from Curly Me Hair Company. I've worked with them a lot of times. I believe it's 30 inches water wave. I did pluck the wig myself, but honestly, I did a very lazy plucking. It's not even that much plucked, so I might have to pluck it more to put in my head. But I've just been real lazy. It's the end of the year, I'm just chugging along. So I really want to try the, what's it called? I really want to do the, if you're on the internet, you're on social media, mainly TikTok, that famous TikTok hairstyle everybody and their mom is doing, I'm finally going to do it because I've been putting it off. I don't know why. I'm really excited because it's so cute. Now, I have worked with Curly Me for a minute, and this lace has never looked like this. I don't know if this is supposed to be their transparent lace, but sometimes some wigs, the lace come with like this greenish tint. I don't know why. So I'm gonna have to do some work to make sure it's gonna, blend into my skin perfectly. Go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You already know. And I'm just gonna buff that in. And since we really trying to cancel out that color of the lace, I gotta make sure I'm putting some on top. I normally don't put foundation on top, but it's only when the lace really needs to be tinted. That's when I'll do it. For example, here. Dang, she a little tight. That's what he said. I'm so childish. Definitely if you have a big head and you want to get this wig, ask for a larger wig cap, because I have a slightly larger than average head, I would say, and it's kind of tight, and I usually always can get away with wearing like a medium. So yeah, let's cut the tabs around our ears. Try to find the top of my ear, and I usually just carve around that, part that out, or section it out somehow. Somebody recently asked me, shout out to you babes, a really good question. Is it better for you to cut the lace off before you glue it down or after you glue it down? I do both. Well, I've done both, and I feel like personally they have their pros and cons. I just recently started going back to cutting the lace off before I glue it down. Like right now, I like to just trace out the shape of the hairline, use a razor, cut it off. And I like to cut it off before these days because I feel like there's less lifting when I do it before, because I feel like when you spray the lace and then cut it off, you get lots of lifting because you have to lift the lace to cut it off. So I feel like I like doing it this way, because this way I don't have to get all that excess lifting from when I try to cut out the lace. I don't feel like it's sticking, but we're gonna make it stick. Blow dryer, cool setting. I feel like because the wig feels very short on my head, and I think it's gonna not fit the way I want it, I need the sides to fit really well for the style, I'm gonna do the sides first. I normally don't do the sides first, but just so that it can stick down the sides and not start shifting around, because I feel like it's a little tight on the head. And I feel like spraying the lace, cutting the lace before and spraying it the way that I do it now, like you cut the lace, spray under or over depending on what section you're doing. I feel like this method also helps the lace be like the hairline itself be less crunchy, because you're mainly trying to like you're spraying like mainly on the lace when you cut the lace before. Okay, that feels very secure. Now I feel confident to do these because I know I didn't do it the way I just did it. The wig will be shifting and sliding. All right, now let's just go ahead and cut these off. Ah. Just gonna put this on so that way the lace can have a moment to just fully dry before I try swooping the baby hairs, because it's not gonna work. Okay. Okay. Let's get into these baby hairs. My camera died while I was doing the baby hairs, and honestly, I didn't even feel like waiting to update y'all on that because the baby hairs look a mess. I want to talk about it. I want to talk about it. It is what it is. Sometimes the baby hairs won't hit, and that's okay. Keep pushing. Let's get on to the rest of the actual hairstyle. Okay, so for this style, it looks like you're supposed to like section off the hair. So I just did like a little diagonal part going down this way all the way to my ear. You see her? Cool. Section it off, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Curl. Alright, and I'm gonna take these pieces to the back. Just get out of the way because I'm sweating right now. So I'm gonna put some gel on her. Make sure she's nice and flat. I get so nervous doing new hairstyles, y'all. Come on, I don't wanna fuck it up. Okay, and now we're just brushing it real nice and smooth with this hard bristle brush. Okay, I'm gonna use mousse to lay it down. I don't feel like there's no point in wetting this part. I don't want the lace to start lifting. So I'm gonna use mousse. Okay, so basically what you do now when you get these two flaps nice and flat, you're supposed to like tie it under your ear. Like literally you put it and then you tie it under. I'm not gonna make it too tight because I might need to loosen it up later. But okay, that's good enough. So now we're gonna like, right? So we're gonna section half of the back part. Don't have to use too much hair, but since this hair is like really thick, I'm gonna use like basically half of it. Get you a nice little pony. Yeah, that's her. And what we do with the ponytail, make it nice and tight. I feel like the key to this hairstyle is make everything really smooth. And I'm gonna put the ponytail. Okay. I'm just doing a rough draft, y'all, so I can see what I'm doing before I commit to it. And then we have your ponytail, right? Let me get lower so y'all can see me. And then when you have your ponytail, apparently all you gotta do is just like flip it, right? So pony, flip the ponytail like so. Get you a little clip. I'm using just like a boring ass. And then I'm clipping like up here. Let me see, how high do I want it? I think I'm gonna clip it like right here. Right? Do I like that? Let's see. Flip her over. I feel like I gotta use more hair. So I was feeling actually very under the weather when I was filming this video. I don't know if you noticed the sniffling going on, but the worst headache and sore throat just hit me while I was filming, and I was like, you know what, I'm not much in a talking mood, so here is future me doing a little voiceover. But like I was saying, yeah, I definitely go back and add more hair to my ponytail because I wanted to be more fluffier, and I did go back and add more hair to the ponytail. Thank goodness this hair is thick enough for that. And then what I also did was I loosened up that middle part front section. Like I was telling you, I don't want it to be too tight, kind of, and probably change my mind to make some tweaks. So definitely don't make it too tight until you're like satisfied with how it looks, because I decided I wanted to pull some hairs out in the front. I always just like having some hairs in front of my face. I feel like it just kind of like, it just adds a vibe to it. So I just went around and pulled some random hairs here and there to kind of just like add some extra little cute front pieces to it. Of course, I wanted it to look like very like effortless and light, so you can't pick like fat chunks. I was just trying to like get a small random little strands of hair to come out. Once I was happy with that, I went ahead and flipped the hair back up to see if I like how the hair is gonna look in this final product, and I did. So now I'm just going in and just like cutting some layers on the top floof. I don't want the top part to like fall too low, or I don't want it to be too long on the top, so I just cut it just a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and start, detangling the hair and defining it so it can look more clean. And I just realized, if you don't feel like wetting or defining your curls, if you have like a very tiny curling iron, like a little micro one, you can just go ahead and just do little micro wand curls. That's also a really cute look as well. But I'm going on and putting my elastic band on to hold this wig down, because the detangling process, it was a process. And to define my curls, I'm just using literally water and some of that mousse. I'm only using mousse because mousse dries faster than water. If you don't have time to like wait for your hair to fully air dry, definitely use more mousse than water. And by now, as you can see, I was definitely like, okay, it's coming now. It's becoming cute because I wasn't feeling it this whole time. That's why you gotta wait till the end to see if you like your hair or not. But for the front pieces, I wanted them to have a very like defined specific type of curl to them. So like I was saying earlier, I just used the end part of my curling wand because my curling wand gets thicker and thinner down the base. So I use the end, the thinnest part, to just, twirl around to give it a very nice little springy curl in the front. I felt like the little curls on top, they weren't giving the way that the curls that I just did were. So I just picked some random pieces to curl here and there just to like give it more definition. Y'all know me, I'm always obsessed with little details when it comes to getting your hair done, but that's basically it for the style. And I was not thinking it was going to be this cute on me, but I really like it. Like it's giving, I don't know what it's giving. Is it the 2000s, early 2000s, 1900s? It's giving something and I'm here for it. I feel like the true star is the color of this hair. Like I feel like the color is what makes it pop, like make this look just pop so much. Like it's so cute. I love like when I can wear colored wigs with no makeup and it still gives. Because sometimes I feel like with colored wigs I have to have like a beat face for it to make sense. But this color, I feel like my complexion, it makes sense. Giving y'all a little bonus hairstyle moment. If you want to do something different, just put that clip down and there you go. You got a different style. I like this too. Which one do I like better? Y'all like it up or down? I think the up just has more attitude. But if you want to be like, very cute and cash, this is a look too. And in case you didn't catch it, I did do a little random giveaway somewhere in the middle of this video. Whoever won that wig, congratulations to you, because I'm giving away this exact unit. The first person to comment down whatever I said to comment gets this wig. And if you missed the comment or just you're late to the video, that's fine, because I'm going to be giving away something in every video that I'm dropping this month of December. Just, because it is a season to give and my love language is giving gifts. And I love y'all. I want to give back to you guys. But with that said, make sure you watch the rest of my videos if you want a chance to win something, possibly another wig or money or who knows. I'm just giving away anything at this point. But I hope to see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye, and have a lovely holiday.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?